I happened to be walking past the showroom and I was in the right mood. I've been thinking about this for years. And I walked in, I spoke with Adam, and I asked him the kind of questions that would, in addition to the cost and everything, but that would sell me on it. And he answered everything like he knew the type of project it was going to be without even seeing it. And I was very impressed. That to me showed me that the company knew how to deal with these small spaces, walk up old building, and then he laid out the plan, and it was executed the way it was promised. So I was very happy. The best part, I think, I trusted the responses to things, and when problems came up, I didn't feel they were dodging the issue. They took care of the problems, and so I think the honesty and professionalism. Well, I would highly recommend them for the uh, actually just what I just stated, the professionalism and the quality of the work, the design aspect matched our tastes, and they were very considerate of all that, and the scheduling because it does take a long time to do a project like this, and they were very honest in uh, each phase, how long it would take and what the cost would be. And so it was all finished just as said on time.